Today I will explain a very important topic for finding Laplace inverse, and that is known as convolution theorem. So most of time you can get one question in your examination from this. So what is the theorem statement? I will explain in simple way. Suppose we have two functions. If Laplace inverse of fs is ft and Laplace inverse of gs is gt, then Laplace inverse of fs into gs is 0 to t fu g t minus u t. This is the statement of convolution theorem. So basically it is used to calculate Laplace inverse, and when function fs is given, or the function for which you are going to calculate Laplace inverse is given as a product of two functions, then we use convolution theorem. That's also easy process. Second important thing, choosing of fs and gs is very important, because you know in integration one is fu, same to same, just we change the variable, but in second, in place of t, what we written? T minus u. So for simplicity, choose a function which not make question complicated, which integration you can do easily. Suppose I will ask you one question. What is Laplace inverse of 1 upon s plus 1? So here fs, let it is multiplied with s and s plus 1, 1 upon s and 1 upon s plus 1. So fs I have taken 1 upon s plus 1, and in gs we have taken what? 1 by s. Now you multiply fs into gs, what we get? Same function. So that's okay. Now what is ft? ft means Laplace inverse of this. What is Laplace inverse of this? E to the power minus t. What is gt? Laplace inverse of 1 by s. What is the value? 1. So what is Laplace inverse of fs into gs? We know the formula, 0 to t fu. ft is given e to the power minus t. So what is fu? E to the power minus u. What is second? G of t minus u. So in place of t we put t minus u, but here is constant, so values are again 1 only, and integrate with respect to u. If you change, then we have to put here t minus u, and little bit complicated, nothing, but okay, it's so much simple. So it's your choice. If you choose anything, nothing matter. So e to the power minus du integration, e to the power minus u minus. What is the limit? 0 to 1. Zero t. So when you put t, minus e to the power minus 1. So it becomes plus 1. What is the answer? 1 minus e to the power minus t. Answer. Now I will take one more question. This time I will take s upon s square upon whatever. So here fs we take what? S upon s square plus 4. What is gs? S upon s square plus 1. See, now we will multiply, we will get same. So what is ft? ft is cos 2t. What is gt? gt is cos t. So What is Laplace inverse of Fs into Gs? 0 to t fu. Fu means cos 2u. And gt minus u means cos t minus u du. How we integrate? We know we integrate by multiply 2 and divide by 2. So now 2 outside. To cos A cos B, what is the formula? Cos A minus B. Cos A minus B means what is A? 2u minus this, it becomes plus, so 3u minus t. So it becomes this one. Just put the limits. When upper limit u value t. Now first integrate. Cos 3u minus t means sin 3u minus t divided by 3. Cos u minus t means sin u minus t. Just put u value t. So we get 1 by 3 sin 2t. When you put t value, u value 0. 0 means 1 by 3 sin minus t means sin minus sin t. And sin minus t means minus sin t. Simplify, we will get this. So it's very simple. So in this way we can use a convolution theorem for any question. So hope you all understand. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.